What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I have a Temu package that we are going to be opening. So this is a pretty expensive one that we are going to open up. Let's just get straight into it. Make sure you guys subscribe. Let's go. So I'm just going to cut right into here. You might be able to tell right there about, you can probably see what it is, but there's 3 items. I want to get to the smaller items first. That's right here. Two cheap items, one expensive item. So, the first item, you probably can tell what we have already, is this. Let me make sure there's no address on it. We're good. Because it's in 2 Temu packages. I'm not sure why this is all wrapped, but we have this. It's a guitar capo. I need one of these because I'm learning guitar, and I've been using my sister's capo, and I have one now. So all it is, you just put this on your guitar on the fret, and you can play a lot more songs now. Okay, the other small item, where is that at? Oh, it's in here too. I got this little bracelet. I knew this was going to be very, very cheap. So we're going to see if this is even, like, good. Since obviously my name is Kylie. There's a little K. This was, like, very, very cheap, this one. It's just a bracelet, if it's good or bad. And then the last item, the expensive item. Here it is. It is a Nintendo Switch. So here it is. This is my second Nintendo Switch from Temu. And it is a white version instead of the blue one. Let me show you guys this. There it is. Nice, nice. Here's the white. But yeah, there's our Temu package. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Turn on the post notifications. I'll see you guys.